Have you ever wanted to create eye-catching graphics for your business, social media, or personal projects, but felt held back by complicated software or expensive subscriptions? Maybe you've thought, I need Photoshop, Illustrator, or some fancy app to make anything that looks professional. But what if I told you that in 2025, you can design stunning, studio-quality graphics right from your browser using free, AI-powered tools, no downloads, no technical skills, and no credit card required? Let's dive into how you can unlock your creativity and design like a pro, all online. First, let's talk about the struggle most people face when it comes to graphic design. The traditional route usually means learning complex programs, spending hundreds of dollars, and still feeling overwhelmed by endless menus and features. Even popular tools like Canva can feel limiting if you don't know where to start or how to get the look you want. But the game has changed. Thanks to AI and web-based platforms, anyone can now create professional visuals in minutes, regardless of experience. Today, I'll walk you through 7 incredible online tools that make graphic design accessible to everyone. No installations, no steep learning curve, just pure creativity at your fingertips. Let's start with Canva Magic Studio. You might already know Canva, but Magic Studio takes things to a whole new level. It uses artificial intelligence to generate entire layouts based on your description. Imagine typing, "Design a modern poster for a coffee shop called Brew and Bean," and within seconds, you get a complete design with curated colors, fonts, and images. Want to tweak it? Just type commands like, "Make the background light blue," or "Add a vintage coffee cup illustration." The AI handles the rest, so you can focus on your vision, not the technical details. Next up is Microsoft Designer. This tool is a hidden gem, powered by advanced AI and connected to DALL E3 for instant image generation. Describe what you want, like a YouTube thumbnail for top 5 productivity hacks. And Designer creates layouts with your headline, images, and color schemes, all harmonized automatically. Plus, it gives you ready-to-use formats for Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and more. So you can share your designs everywhere with just one click if you're looking to enhance photos or turn rough sketches into polished graphics. Fotor AI Designer is your go-to. Upload a low-quality image or even a hand-drawn sketch, and Fotor will upscale it to HD, adjust lighting, and suggest backgrounds and text that match your style. You can literally snap a photo of your idea on paper, and Fotor transforms it into a finished poster or ad creative. No design skills required. For those who love creative typography and vintage vibes, check out Kittl. This online tool is perfect for making t-shirt designs, retro logos, and brand visuals. With drag-and-drop controls, you can customize fonts, add textures, and create stunning text effects without any coding or downloads. It's like having Photoshop's power, but way more approachable. If animation and motion graphics are your thing, VistaCreate is a must-try. It's similar to Canva but with built-in animation features. Animate elements with a single click, record voiceovers, or embed videos directly into your design. Whether you're making Instagram Reels, YouTube intros, or animated ads, VistaCreate turns your browser into a mini content studio. Need to visualize data or create infographics? Piktochart makes it effortless. Paste your data, and Piktochart automatically generates beautiful charts and infographics with AI-selected color schemes and fonts. It's perfect for reports, educational content, or YouTube explainers. No more wrestling with Excel or complicated chart tools. Finally, Simplified AI is your all-in-one solution for design, video, writing, and animation. Create posts, ads, and graphics using simple AI prompts, all tailored to your brand style. Need multiple banner variations for a campaign? Just hit Generate More, and Simplified delivers fresh, on-brand visuals in seconds. Here's a bonus tip. Use ChatGPT to generate catchy headlines, taglines, or product descriptions, then plug them into Canva Magic Studio or Microsoft Designer to instantly visualize your ideas. This combo lets you build complete visual campaigns without hiring a designer or mastering complex software. The bottom line: in 2025, creativity is no longer limited by software, skills, or budget. All you need is a browser, an idea, and a bit of curiosity. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or content creator, you now have the power to design graphics that look like they came from a professional studio. No installs, no experience, no limits. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below.